So I'm thinking of different ways to describe light and bringing light radiant.
We hug and yes, we make love and always just say goodnight.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Keymee K. So I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial today. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So this video is being sponsored by the SVT So they did send me out this wig to review. Starting out, you will get your wig in a pretty duster bag. It does come with a wig cap and eyelashes. So it is going to be their 13 by 4 transparent HD lace wig. I do have the length 24 inches. It is 150% density, and then it is going to have 3 combs on top, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. So I did bleach the knots and then I did straighten this unit. So far that's all I have done so far. I did use Silk Infusion to straighten the unit. So now I'm just putting my foundation on the lace, which is the CoverGirl Vitalist Health Elixir in the shade 765 Tawny, and then I'm cutting off the lace. The wig is big, so I am putting the wig band on so that it can help me. After I cut off the lace, I did notice now that basically you are getting a frontal unit, but you do have to customize it. So you do have to like contour your ears. You do have to cut the hairline to kind of go with your hairline. So that is what I'm doing now. I am cutting out my ear tabs, and then I am gluing this unit down with the glue freezing spray. I didn't show it on camera, but I did also cut the top as well, so you don't see any more of where it was pre-plucked at. That's just basic hairline. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut me some sideburns. Instead of having to pluck the entire front of this unit, I'm just gonna have to show you just a little trick. Since it is just a straight unit, usually those don't have to be plucked to the T, just like by your parting area. So that's all I am going to be doing. So I'm just gonna be putting some Tickle Baby hairs in my sideburns, and then I'm going to part the hair in the middle. So as you'll see me parting the hair, I am going to show you that I'm just going to take some hair out of the front where the unit is plucked at and add some baby hairs. And that'll give the illusion that this hairline has been like plucked. And as you can see how dense it is right now. But once I do that, it will make this unit look a little bit more nicer. So on the website, it is showing that this unit is $254.91 for the 24-inch length that I have. You can make 4 payments of $63.73. So let's go ahead and get into this unit. So the hair, it is soft, it is long. I didn't have any tangling. I had a couple of shedding. The knots actually bleach really good, and then they are very thin, so you don't get big knots, you get little knots. As you can see, my parting area, I didn't have to apply any concealer on top, so you do get nice parting space and everything. The only thing is the frontal part, like I said, it's almost like you made a whole wig and you have to customize it. So the frontal part, and then also this unit, it does have a lot of flyaways. Other than that, I do like this unit. I will leave their information down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So once again, this hair was sent to me from SVTHair.com. I will leave the information down below, so make sure to check out this unit if you do like it. Leave me any comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.